Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to reach an 18.2% engagement rate on TikTok. Reaching a high engagement rate such as 18% or higher, which is considered exceptional on TikTok, requires a combination of high retention content, interactive elements, and strategic use of algorithms preferences in 2026. Key strategies include creating content longer than 1 minute, focusing on retention boosting hooks, and leveraging community building tools. There are some ways to create high engagement content on TikTok. Firstly, you can optimize videos for high value interactions. You can do this by encouraging saves and shares on TikTok. You can also do this by creating long form content, which is more than 1 minute. You can also aim for longer comments rather than emojis, as these indicate stronger engagement. The second thing that you can do is craft an irresistible hook. The first 3 seconds are critical to preventing users from scrolling. For this, you can either add pattern interruptions, use visual shifts such as zooming in, sudden movement, or a change in setting to immediately grab attention. You can also take a high energy or a dramatic 2 to 3 second clip from later in the video and place it at the very beginning. Or you can simply ask a question. The third thing that you can do is boost interaction rates. For this, you can post the first comment on your own video immediately after posting. You can also use video replies and create sequential videos, like creating a part 2 to a video that you already created. You must also focus on your audience. For that, you need to analyze your audience, be consistent, and focus on a particular niche. Also, do not forget to use trending sounds, but make sure to add a unique twist that aligns with your brand to stand out. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.